test out some proof of concept stuff here. I just wanted to see if this would fire out and shoot the caps off the ends of these. So we're just gonna shoot it against the plywood kind of fake door slash wall there. Let's go. Let's not go. So that's fallen just in front of the rope. They're too short without the arrowheads on them. So I'll be right back when I take these out, and we'll shoot them one at a time after it's cocked. Okay, I guess I'll show a quick difference in the size of these things first. I'll just put them down on the cement here, and you can see the difference right away. That extra length on the head is absolutely necessary for the repeating mechanism to work. That length is where the rope sits so that it slides underneath when it gets cocked, and when it fires it stops exactly just where there's a taper on the head. So these are just short of that taper, unfortunately, which means I can't do a repeating action with these slightly exploding, quote-unquote exploding arrows. So let's put them in one at a time. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. We'll cock it first. And we will slide in an arrow. And I'm going to put the sled on top so that we hold it in place. So nice. In fact, I might even just put one elastic on it. I've mentioned before it improves accuracy, and it does hold the arrow down from falling out, because I'm going to use two hands for this. So let's see if I can just make sure I focus on that door. Here we go. So I'll kind of aim in between, somewhere in this general area, maybe at that gigantic mosquito. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It definitely worked. That was super cool. Okay. And only one arrow because it's easier to kind of load the next one. So we'll just continue on and cock it. And I'll basically do the same thing. I don't normally put the elastic on after it's cocked, so anyway, here we go, same thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, might have got a dead ski. That could have been just the cap itself. These are very old. I just found them and thought, hey, this might be a neat idea. You can see, I think, little spot of hot glue left on there. So I just, a little dab, tiny little dab. I hope that didn't affect sort of the chemical abilities of what this is. So, okay. This is the last one that I did in this little round, but I've got a couple extra cap heads left over, so I've only got 3 arrows that are missing the heads on them, so I'll only do 3 at a time. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Wow, actually that one was a little loud. My ear is ringing. That was amazing. Alright, proof of concept over. I'm gonna make bigger ones at a later date, but maybe I'll try to do 3 more and we'll see. 3 more arrows ready to go. Let's see if we can focus on the back. Oh, there we go. Let's get to it. Alright, back wall, same spot. 3, 2, 1. I saw Another explosion. Ah, this is good stuff here. See, the glue hangs on, the cap heads do not. I did find one earlier, by the by, but they are not usable afterwards, so I can't reuse the caps. That's also what I wanted to find out. Ooh, I can smell that. So there's definitely little explosions going on because it stinks in here now. Alright. Here we go. Loaded with number 2. What I also wanted to find out is, will it explode on this sponge? I'm going to shoot down here where there's, or actually up here where there's little abuse done to it. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, so the higher the better, I think, here. 3, 2. I don't know if it did. I don't think that styrofoam is tough enough to set it off. No, definitely did not. It's sticking out the back of the target there. Pull that out without ripping it off. Good. Maybe I can. So definitely shooting against a hard surface. Also good to know. So let us try that again. Against a hard surface. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, loud. Quite loud. It does snap. The cap stayed on. All right, good. I wanted to see that. It completely destroys the cap. So bigger explosion, more destruction, a little bit more glue maybe held that on, or it was actually just luck. It just sheared back over it. So cool. Focus back on the door. Last one, and then my proof of concept experiments will be over, and I'll see what I can do about making this a little bit more exciting. Let's go. Last one. See if I can actually aim. I'll hit the pole. And 3, 2, 1. Well, I don't think that one went off. But I still have the proof of concept for myself. So great fun. Exploding arrows. That's some cheap fun. I can get those caps for pennies and for pennies for the whole roll of 8 of them. So maybe the next time we try this, it might be a little bit more reactive. Bye for now.